Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money from your Plutus account to your Revolut account. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in stock trading or stock market investing, you can create an account with Trading212 using the link from the description below, and once you open your account, you will get a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds, depending on your currency. And now let's continue. Now, first off, once you log in into your Plutus account, you would need to log in into the browser version, aka the desktop version. Now, once you log in, you will be on your banking page right here. So from this page, to send over some funds from your Plutus account to your Revolut account, you would need to click on the send button right here. And now here you just need to input your Revolut account information. So to get that information, you would just need to open up your Revolut app, and then on the home page, you just need to click on the details option. And in the details option, you would just be able to copy paste, or I guess transcribe that information right here. So for your IBAN number or your bank account number, you would just need to input the corresponding number from the Revolut app. And the same goes for everything here. And the amount, you of course just input the amount that you want to transfer. And once you did all of that, you can just go ahead and click confirm right here. And from there, the bank transfer will be initiated. And that's, guys, how you can transfer some money from your Plutus account to your Revolut account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.